Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into how to create an effective maintenance budget. It's crucial to keep your operations running smoothly and avoid those costly surprises. So, let's get started. First, assess your needs. Start by inventorying all your assets, every piece of equipment, machine, and infrastructure that needs maintenance. Then, dig into your historical data. Look at past maintenance records to understand costs, repair frequencies, and equipment lifespans. Remember, maintenance can be preventive, predictive, or corrective. Preventive includes routine inspections and cleaning, predictive uses diagnostics to anticipate failures, and corrective involves repairs after breakdowns. Next, estimate your costs. Think about labor. Are you using internal staff or external contractors? Include wages, benefits, and potential overtime. Don't forget materials like spare parts and cleaning supplies. Consider service contracts for specialized equipment, and always include a contingency buffer of 10 to 20% for unexpected repairs. Now, explore cost-saving opportunities. Focus on preventive maintenance to reduce costly corrective actions. Negotiate bulk purchasing discounts for commonly used parts. Train your team to handle basic maintenance, cutting down on contractor costs. Make sure you're utilizing warranties effectively. And consider energy-efficient upgrades to save on utility costs long-term. Choosing a budgeting method is next. You can allocate a fixed percentage of an asset's value, base your budget on production volume, or start from scratch each year with zero-based budgeting. Finally, implement and track your budget. Use maintenance management software to track costs, schedule tasks, and generate reports. Regularly review your spending, monthly or quarterly, and adjust as needed. Monitor key performance indicators like downtime, repair costs, and equipment lifespan to evaluate your strategy's effectiveness. And don't forget, factor in regulatory compliance costs and new technology upgrades. Plan for major overhauls in your long-term financial plans. By following these steps, you can create a maintenance budget that minimizes downtime, optimizes costs, and ensures the longevity of your assets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and insights. Catch you in the next video.